Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm sharing another A Day in My Life mini vlog, but this time it's the work from home edition. I work from home every Monday and Tuesday, and before I start work at 8:30, syempre no, kunwari masipag tayo. Like, diligan ang dapat diligan, and iligpit ang dapat iligpit. And opo, yes po, unahan ko na po kayo. I know I've gained weight, tumaba po ako. I keep hearing that lately, pero okay lang, I'm happy naman. By the way, this is my papa. Binisita niyo po kami for 2 weeks. Pero sad lang kasi balik Bohol na rin siya kinabukasan. And after Mangilamos, na-realize po namin na wala na pala kaming dog food for Duchess and Jack. Unfortunately, yung in-order ko online was still on transit pa that day. So, need kong bumaba to buy dog food and itlog na lang din for breakfast. That day was Tuesday pala, so okay pang weather sa morning, but according to the news, papasok na daw si Bagyong Christine. I really thought na hindi siya ganun kalakas, pero after manalasan ni Christine kinabukasan, grabe kawawa yung mga kababayan natin sa Bicol. So let's pray for them po. And now we're here. Itlog lang naman yung bibili natin dito. And yes, after makabili ng itlog, si Bat ulit. And share ko lang ha, marami pa ng pusa here around our place. Malulusog silang lahat in fairness. Kasi may nagpapakain naman sa kanila everyday. Ayan, di ba? And then after that, I stopped to buy a Korean mart naman para makabili sana ng kamote. Pero wala silang available na kamote that day. Gusto ko sanang bumili din ng kamatis for my scrambled eggs. Pero grabe guys, ang mahal. Lahat na lang nagmahal no, pero ang sahod walang galawan, di ba? So I decided sa palengke na lang ako bibili sa weekend. Then I tried to go to a pet store then to buy the dog food, pero sarado sila. Siguro dahil sa paparating na bagyo. So I brought the eggs upstairs muna, then baba ulit. Para puntahan yung another pet store na medyo may kamahalan. Pero ayun, walang choice eh. Ang layo pa ng ibang tindahan. Oh, ayan ha. Oh, finlex ko na yung double chin ko. Para to sa mga nagsasabing, uy, parang tumaba ka. Aware naman akong tumaba ako. Eh, ang sarap kumain eh. Ayun, eto, medyo pricey nga talaga dito sa store na to. But ilaban na lang natin for that day lang naman, di ba? Then after kong makabili, ayun, akyat ulit ako, di ba? So, ang dami kong exercise that day, ha? Iwan ko na lang, naku. So, ayan, after makaakyat, ayun, luto agad ng breakfast. Breakfast? Ayun, itlog at tuyo lang naman, or buwad. So, ayun, itlog at buwad or tuyo, yung ulam na lulutuin ko. And then, ayan, of course, finlex ko yung braso ko. Siyempre, no? Kasi may nagsabi, ang laki na rin daw ng braso ko. Of course, malaki talaga yan. Hanggang kamao yan. Actually, pwedeng panuntok yan sa mga taong ano. Charot.
Brown color. Hey girl, stop.
So, ayun, after magluto, of course, kain na ng agahan. And then, of course, hindi din patatalo si Duchess at saka si Jack. So, enjoy din sila sa breakfast nila. After kumain, I received a text about a parcel delivery. Kala ko yung dog food na yung dumating. But when I went downstairs to check it, yung mga Christmas tree ornaments pala yung dumating. So, after ko makuha, sinabit lang muna namin ng kapatid ko before ako mag-prepare for work and maligo. Pero, ayan, di ba, ang bait ni Jack. Tinakpan niya talaga yung katawan ko para hindi daw malait ng iba dyan. Di ba? Charot. Then, after that, chinek ko yung mga emails ko. And then, ready ko yung blazer ko. Just making sure na ready ako if ever man may video calls later since nakapangbahay lang ako. And I took a quick shower and prepared na for work. I didn't really show my work setup here kasi wala namang special. It's just a simple table and then with my laptop. And kasi I usually work naman in the office most days. Then, I started working and well, wala namang special ganap din for that day. Like, puro meetings and habol sa mga deliverables. And then, by this time, medyo nagiging gloomy na yung weather. And, nag-start ng umulan. So, kailangan kong iligpit na yung mga sinampay sa labas. Tapos, later in the afternoon, I noticed kung gaano kabilis nung pag-change ng weather. Ilang hours lang, ganito na siya. So, Bagyong Christine is coming na talaga. So, it started raining na. And medyo madilim na sa labas. And yung mukha ko, madilim na rin. Haggard na rin siya. Finally, I wrapped up my work for the day and nagluto na ng dinner. Paksiwang ulam for that night. By the way, hindi ko na na-film yung rest of the night because my phone storage was full. Pero I had a quick shot lang of the rain or yung typhoon from our balcony. So, ang lakas ng ulan. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this work from home edition of my day. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!